Well, from disaster relief to fighting world hunger, the United States Agency for International Development, or USAID, was at the center of it all. But now a chilling warning from several medical researchers. They say people around the world, millions of them, could die in the next 5 years because of the Trump administration's cuts to humanitarian aid. News 4's Aimee explains how this could impact people all around the globe.
With the Trump administration cutting foreign aid workers, many had just 15 minutes to clean out their desks back in February. Now, 4 months later, some humanitarian experts are sounding the alarm about what the cuts could mean for people in need.
Honestly, it's heartbreaking. I think all of us in the sector are walking around feeling nauseous.
Catherine Williford works at the nonprofit Plan International USA, which supports girls' rights around the world. They lost about $38 million in USAID funding and have already had to cancel some of their projects. They're scrambling to find donors so they can continue their work.
Helping keep girls in school and out of early child marriage. Really devastating to see what can happen there. We know that when girls in developing nations get access to education, their communities thrive, their economies thrive.
This week, a new report from the Lancet Medical Journal estimates the USAID cuts could cause 14 million deaths over the next 5 years. The cuts have led to the closure of food kitchens and health clinics, as well as a halt in shipments of medication, water purification tablets, and nutritional packets for starving children. Secretary of State Marco Rubio posted on the online platform Substack yesterday. The charity-based model failed because the leadership of these developing nations developed an addiction, and Americans should not pay taxes to fund failed governments in faraway lands. One former USAID contractor tells News 4 she disagrees.
Doing these programs, it's not charity. It's building relationships with people in other countries. And they, strengthen American security, something that this administration claims to care about.
Researchers at the Lancet Medical Journal say they believe children will be the ones most impacted by the USAID cuts as aid organizations now scramble to find more funding. Aimee, News 4.